If you want to 10 times your income, the first thing you must understand is this: working harder is not enough. Most people believe that if they just worked longer hours, wake up earlier, and grind harder than everyone else, their income will eventually grow. But the truth is, effort alone rarely multiplies income. Strategy does. Think about it. A person working a regular job might get a 3% raise each year, maybe 5% if they are lucky. At that rate, it could take decades to even double their income, let alone multiply it by 10. So how do some people go from making $1,000 a month to $10,000? Or from $10,000 to $100,000? They follow 3 key principles. The first principle is leverage. Leverage means using something that allows your effort to produce results many times larger than what you put in. There are 3 main forms of leverage today: skills, technology, and the internet. For example, a software developer can build an app once and have millions of people download it. A YouTuber can create one video that generates money for years. An investor can put money into assets that grow while they sleep. Instead of trading hours for money, they create systems that work for them. If your income only increases when you work more hours, you are limited. But if your work can reach thousands or millions of people, your income potential becomes almost unlimited. The second principle is high income skills. Not all skills are valued equally in the marketplace. Some skills are worth $10 an hour. Others are worth $1,000 an hour. Skills that generate revenue or solve expensive problems are always paid the most. Things like sales, marketing, investing, coding, content creation, and financial analysis. If you want to 10 times your income, you must focus on mastering skills that businesses and markets desperately need. And the good news is, in today's world, you can learn almost any high-income skill online for free or very cheaply. But learning is not enough. You must practice, build, and apply the skill until it becomes valuable in the real world. The third principle is ownership. Employees earn income. Owners build wealth. When you own something that produces value, a business, a brand, a YouTube channel, a product, or an investment, you are no longer limited to a salary. Ownership allows you to benefit from growth. For example, if you build a YouTube channel that earns $5 per 1,000 views and your videos start getting 1 million views a month, you're no longer trading time for money. The system works for you. This is why many wealthy people focus on building assets rather than just earning paychecks. Assets pay you again and again. But here is the part most people ignore: time and consistency. No one 10 times their income overnight. Behind every success story are years of learning, failing, improving, and staying consistent when results were small. Most people quit too early. They try something for 3 months, don't see life-changing results, and stop. But the people who eventually succeed are the ones who keep going long enough for momentum to build. So if you want to multiply your income, focus on these steps. Learn a high-income skill. Use technology and the internet as leverage. Build or own assets that can scale. And stay consistent long enough for the results to compound. Because once momentum starts, income growth can happen faster than you ever imagined. And the biggest mistake you can make is believing that your current income determines your future. It doesn't. Your strategy does. Start building the right skills, the right systems, and the path to 10 times your income will no longer be impossible. It will simply be a matter of time. If you want to 10 times your income, stop trading hours for dollars. Focus on learning high-value skills, leverage technology to reach thousands, and build assets that earn for you even while you sleep. That's how real wealth grows fast.